am Anindya Rieski with my friend Annisa Najla K, Naca Fauziah Nur, and Afsha Nurizki. And today we will exploring about the article with the title is Hegemony and Authority in Health, the World Health Organization in Indonesian online news coverage on COVID-19 pandemic. This research uncovers the realization of the hegemony and authority of the World Health Organization or WHO in the coverage of the COVID-19 pandemic by online media in Indonesia. More specifically, the focus of this research is the representation of WHO hegemony and authority and its linguistic realization in the news discourse in Indonesia. This research used Van de Dijk's critical discourse study framework to examine 5 news articles from 5 Indonesian media related to WHO's stand and standards in handling the COVID-19 pandemic. Next, we move to the analysis process. There are 5 analyses, but we will only focus on the main content discourse analysis. In this research analysis using 3 structures such as macrostructure, superstructure, and microstructure.
Okay, for the first one is macrostructure. Macrostructure gives the meaning of the text that can be understood by examining the topic in the text in general. For example, the WHO is represented as an anchor in the narrative of events in news text. Therefore, the analysis of the WHO representation in macrostructure can be said to achieve conclusion about the dominance of the WHO roles. The general meaning of the WHO representation in the analysis of macrostructure is in one word, dominant. Next is superstructure. Superstructure has a structure such as abstract that is provide overview of the study's proposed methods, findings, and implications. Then introduction is discussing the concept. Method is detail the data collection process. Finding and discussion present the result of the analysis. And in the last is conclusion, where is the summarize of key findings and discusses the implications.
The last is microstructure. Microstructure describes the meaning of discourse that can be tested by analyzing each sentence in detail. For example, the WHO's representation was examined through an explanation of the local meaning of the containment in the text through the choices of words, sentence, and language style used by a text as a microstructure. The keywords are WHO, COVID-19, vaccine, and pandemic. The phrases is the WHO calls for, according to the WHO standard, the WHO gives warning, and these phrases position the WHO as a source of expertise and guidance. The study likely examined how the WHO is represented as an actor in the news reports, what actions are attributed to it, and how this action contribute to its image as an authoritative body.
In conclusion, this article suggests that online media reports in Indonesia on the COVID-19 pandemic have supported the hegemony and authority of the WHO. This research uses critical discourse analysis to reveal how language is used to prioritize and legitimize WHO's power. The implications of these findings suggest the need for critical awareness about the potential influence of the WHO being used to help promote a specific agenda, while recognizing the benefits of taking guidance from resources that are reputable. This research highlights the importance of critically examining media representations of international organizations and their role in shaping public discourse during global health crisis. That's all from our group. Thank you.